Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's pre-Christmas clean with me, and we are also going to be doing some decorating. As you saw, we ended up going out and getting a real tree, so I'm really excited to be sharing that in today's video. So we are going to jump right on in, and what you are currently seeing is just the current state of the house. As you can see, it was totally trashed, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and start by picking and tidying up before we get into some of the deep cleaning happening in today's video.
It is, and open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
Let me know down below what you are doing while watching today's video and if you have wrapped your Christmas presents or not.
I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, and open my heart like you're fearless.
So as you can see, I'm just doing some rearranging here in the living room. When we redid our toddler girl's bedroom and then turned the other room into our playroom, we had to move this one chair out here, and so it definitely takes up a lot of space. So we decided to move the living room around here, and this was kind of what was behind the couch. So I am going to go ahead and vacuum that up, but we actually wanted to put our tree here, which is why we went up and did some rearranging. And so stay tuned as we're going to be setting up our Christmas tree in today's video as well. So I am so excited because this video is extra special as it is in collaboration with one of my friends here on YouTube. Her name is Lizzy and her channel name is It's Lizzy. She shares tons of cleaning motivation as well over on her channel. Lots and lots of incredible Christmas decor is happening over there. So if you haven't seen her channel, I would love if you went ahead and checked it out. And make sure that you let her know that you came over from my channel and say hi to her in the comments. You guys, she honestly is such an amazing young woman, and she is going to do incredible things here on YouTube. And I just know that you guys will absolutely love her and her content and her channel. So make sure that you go ahead and check her out. So before I want to put our Christmas tree down, I want to go ahead and just really clean this area. So you can see there was tons of dust here. There is an incredible before and after shot that is going to come really, really shortly. But I wanted to go ahead and vacuum these baseboards as you saw a little bit earlier. And then I am going to go around and do all of the baseboards as well. And I'm also going to be wiping down the lanterns and stuff. It just seems like a lot of dust had accumulated in this area. So we're just tidying everything up, moving all of the furniture, and really getting some deep cleaning done around here before I will go ahead and get our tree in.
I hope I'll be your destination.
inside the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places.
So I wanted to go ahead and introduce myself in case you are new or you are coming over from Lizzie's channel. Welcome. I hope that you guys stay a while. Here on my channel, you will find lots of lifestyle content. I share cleaning and homemaking motivation to help you get up and moving. I'd love to share recipes and home DIY projects as well, but my main focus is to encourage you through motherhood and homemaking. I do have 2 little kids, and so I'd love to share relatable and real life messes here in our house with all the uplifting and positive motivation to help you tackle your own mess. I live in Canada, and a fun fact about me is my husband and I went skydiving together when we first started dating. So I'd love to get to know you a little bit more. Go ahead, introduce yourself in the comments, and if you can think of a fun fact about yourself, go ahead and throw it in there.
Gone now, but you're coming back. You know that. You know that. You're the traveling kind.
What a mission that tree was, but now we're gonna go ahead and get into some cleaning. I'm gonna tackle the dining area and the kitchen right now. So stay tuned, we got lots of cleaning and homemaking motivation coming your way.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound.
So now that the living room is finally clean, it is vacuumed and ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle the kitchen. So we're just tidying up here. I'm doing some dishes, and then we are going to be doing some more deep cleaning. I'm gonna be deep cleaning the top of the stove, the sink, and then I am also going to mop my entire house, and I'm also going to give you an overview in a little bit here of the house, because there's nothing better and more satisfying than a nice freshly cleaned house, especially after you get that mop bucket put away. So stay tuned for a lot of cleaning motivation to come. So if you are wondering what I'm using to clean my countertops here, it's just a thieves cleaner, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that all over. I am going to wipe the stove with it as well, just to kind of give it a little surface clean. And then, like I mentioned, we are going to do a deep clean as well.
And I know that it's hard, but
So I have shared this in a previous video, but it is so gross, like this little gap in between my stove, just the amount of stuff that gets trapped in there. One of you had mentioned buying like a seal that kind of goes in between your countertop and your stove, and it's such a great idea, and I literally forgot about it until this moment when I'm editing this video. So I need to go and order it because look at my floor. It is, again, it's disgusting. So we're going to tackle the floor in a minute here, but I wanted to, again, deep clean at the top of my stove. I always like to work top to bottom, like left to right. And so you will notice I do have a system, like some of my cleaning videos, things are just in a particular order because, again, that's just how I clean. But let me know if you guys have a like order that you guys clean your house. Maybe I'm just crazy. I don't know. Probably am, but it's okay. So now we're moving back into the dining room as I really needed to clean these chairs. I do like to do this daily at the end of the night. It's usually part of my evening cleaning routine, but for some reason they were just so dirty. I think there was like honey all over them and maple syrup all over them. And yeah, it's always really fun to clean honey and maple syrup. But this is mom life at its finest, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. So yeah, again, just wanted to get those clean before going ahead and mopping the floor. I usually use Pine Sol on my floor. I also like to use the Go Clean Comb method. You will see me use that a lot here on my channel, but I'm always trying different ways to clean my house and sharing those with you. So for today, I'm using that Tiber River natural cleaner as I wanted to stick to more natural cleaning products. We did have people coming over this evening, and so yeah, it's kind of why it's like a pre-Christmas clean with me, so to speak, is this is how I would clean my house if you were coming over for Christmas or a dinner or anything like that if I was hosting.
Had to convince my friends this time.
So now I am all done mopping and the house is all clean. I also should note, you saw my husband peep in and out of the video today. While I was tackling, like whatever room I was tackling, he was tackling the back end of the house. So we do tag team our house and clean together a lot, especially if we have people coming over. We have 2 little kids. It's really hard for me to keep up with everything on top of working, and I homeschool as well. And so there's just a lot to do, and I am so thankful that he helps me. There's no way I could get it all done without him. And so I just want to make note of that and let you know that it is okay to ask for help, and what you do around your home matters. And so if you can't get it all done, ask somebody for help, delegate it out. If you have older kids, there's no reason that they can't help by, you know, making their beds and just having some child age appropriate chores. And so I just want to again share that with you while sharing the overview of our nice clean house. And now I am just sharing a little bit of a before and after of our front porch. I ended up decorating it for Christmas here. We have this beautiful wreath that I made years ago and I am still in love with it. I do want to paint this door, but we're actually renting our house, so I think if I painted it white it wouldn't really make it pop. But I went and grabbed some greenery from one of our trees and put it out. So I love how it turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Christmas clean and decorate with me. Don't forget to check out my friend Lizzy and her channel. It will all be linked down below. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you?